I need two people who are good at listening. I have to be good at listening, and two people who are both good at talking. They're not going to get up here in front of a group of people and say, oh my gosh, I can't talk in front of this group because I might say something silly, I might make a fool of myself. Yes, you will. You will say something silly. Look kind of foolish. But we're going to have fun doing it. So anyway, you said you have two people. I need two volunteers. Melissa, what do you do for a living?
I'm a project manager.
I know. I guess I'm sorry, I should have been more specific. If she had done something completely different with her life, a whole different career, and I want you to be creative and humorous and think about this, what could you have seen her doing? What would have been another career for her?
Lawyer.
A lawyer. Lori's, that's very creative. That's very humorous, that's very a lawyer, because you're that type of,
Yeah.
you could do that, lawyer. Okay, all right. Well, Melissa, for our purposes, for this little thing we're going to do here, this little fun exercise, you are going to be a lawyer, okay? Some of you guys probably know Maurice. You know what kind of personality he has. Maybe he'd done something different. What if you'd gone in a completely different career? What could you have seen him doing?
Pole dancer.
A pole dancer? Maurice, that's the kind of example I was looking for. Yeah, the IT
He's
department.
dancing in the car,
Yes.
remember? He's in the car.
Okay, that's what we're talking about.
I have no idea.
Oh, do you have some more information about that? Okay. We have a lawyer. We have a pole dancer. Is that pole in your car? All right. Now here's what I want you to do. Again, you know, in communicating, it's important to be creative. So I want you to use your creativity right now. Put them in a place. Put them in a place where a lawyer and a pole dancer would not normally meet. Where are you? Put them in a place.
Church.
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 I think you're right about that. Okay.
All right, what are you doing here today?
I don't know. I never come to church.
Well, I'm here to pray because I hear they're thinking about making pole dancing an Olympic sport.
That's great. Right?
That is really an interesting idea.
Here, go ahead, tell them.
You're the reason why our kids are so ugly.
That's a tough one.
Tell them.
I get no respect.
Well, that's because you don't appreciate and respect my career. It takes a lot of work to become an expert pole dancer.
All right, thank you very much. Remember to add a little entertainment into your conversations. A little bit of humor, a little bit of creativity doesn't hurt. All right, thank you very much. Thank you.